Hi, good morning, cadets. Wish you a wonderful morning. I hope you're all happy and safe in your homes. Yesterday, we completed question and answer for how many questions? Question, 4 questions. Chapter number 1, power sharing. So, today we will try to complete the question answers for chapter number 1, leftover questions. Means yesterday we completed 4 questions. Which are the 4 questions which we completed yesterday? We completed question number 1, 2, 3 and 4. Yeah, these were the questions which we completed yesterday. That is, what are the different forms of power sharing in the modern democracies? Give examples with each of these. Then second question was, state one prudential and one moral reason for power sharing with an example in the Indian context. Third, definitely I told you that you have to write your own opinion, because that is how you are after reading the opinion of these 3 children, or these 3 which is given, Tomman, Matai and Osef. Then the 4th question I gave you answer. So 4 questions we completed yesterday. Now we will move to the leftover questions, that is question number 5 onwards. Ready? Okay. Write down the question. Read the following passage and pick out any one of the prudential reason for power sharing offered in this. I read the passage for you. We need to give more power to Panchayat to realize the dream of Mahatma Gandhi and hopes of the makers of our constitution. Panchayat Raj establishes true democracy. It restores the power to the only place where people belongs in a democracy, in the hands of people. Giving power to the Panchayat is also a way to reduce corruption and increase administrative efficiency. When people participate in planning and implementation of developmental schemes, they would naturally exercise greater control over these schemes. This would eliminate the corruption middleman. Thus, Panchayat Raj will strengthen the foundation of our democracy. Full stop. So this is a passage given to you. Please write down the passage. I already told you. So please write down the passage. Now, what is the question is, you have to find out one prudential reason in this paragraph. What is the prudential reason in this paragraph? One prudential reason for power sharing offered in this passage is that Panchayat Raj establishes true democracy. Means this paragraph clearly says that establishment of Panchayat Raj is a clear example of decentralization of power. I explained you, democracy is concentrating on decentralization of power, means distribution of power from the higher to the lower order, so that government administration will be done in an efficient way. I'll continue the reading. It restores the power in the hands of the people. So Panchayat Raj gives power to the people. Local participation in planning and implementation of policy, strengthen the decision making and bring transparency in administration. So definitely, what is the prudential reason here? Reason which is proved. What is the reason which is proved? When panchayats are given more power, very important, it definitely leads transparency in the administration as well as local participation in the planning and implementation of policy. So, thus the Panchayat Raj is the true implementation of democracy. Okay, I hope you have completed answer for question number 5. Let us move to the question number 6. Different arguments are usually put forth in favor of and against of power sharing. Identify those who are in favor of power sharing and select the answer using the code given below. So, what is the question? Question says that power sharing is argument in favor means merits, argument against means demerits. So, power sharing, definitely we come across arguments favor or against. So, what you have to do? You have to, the code is given, that is A, B, D, E, that is option A. So, here you have to read this points, and after that you have to find at least 1 or 2 points in this definitely may not be matching to the above topic of power sharing. Let us go through the A. A reduces conflict among different communities, means when power sharing is there, definitely power sharing reduces the conflict among the different communities. Now you have to conclude, is it correct or wrong, or it is implicable. Second, that is B. Decreases the possibility of arbitrariness. It's a kind of authoritarianism where complete control over the any administration. So power sharing reduces that possibility of control. Third, delay decision making process. So because of power sharing, really there will be a delay in decision making, you have to think of it. Next, accommodates diversity, means power share accepts diversity. E, increases instability and decisiveness. That means it says that power sharing makes government weak and unstable. What F says? Promotes people's participation in the government. It says that because of power sharing, people's participation will be more in the government. People will participate in a better way. What G says? Undermines the unity of the country, or unity of the country is not considered. So now what you have to do here? Option A. Option A means A, B, D, E. What is A, B, D, E? A is reduces conflict. B is decreases possibility. D is accommodate diversity. F is promotes people participation. Like that you have to match. At least you have to say that out of this A, B, C, D, definitely one is correct answer. So I'll give you few seconds so that think. Hope you completed this code, that is paragraph as well as the columns. Let us move to the answer. What is the right answer? Right answer is A. What is A here? A is nothing but option A is, which include A, B, D, F. What is A? That is reduce conflict among the different communities. This is we are seen in Belgium. Decrease the possibility of arbitrariness. Definitely this is also we are seen in the case of Belgium. Accommodates diversity. Correct. Power sharing, because of the power sharing what happens? People participate in the government. We are seen even in the example of Belgium. Not only that, we are seen in the example of local self-government in India. So answer for question number 6 is A. Option A. Hope you have completed. Okay, let us move to question number 7. Consider the following statements about power sharing. Consider the following statements about power sharing arrangements in Belgium and Sri Lanka. A. In Belgium, Dutch-speaking majority people tried to impose their dominance on the majority French-speaking community. What's B? In Sri Lanka, the policies of the government sought to ensure the dominance of Sri Lankan Sinhala-speaking majority. The Tamils in Sri Lanka demanded federal arrangements of power sharing to protect their culture, language, and equality of opportunity in education and jobs. What is D? D is transformation of Belgium from unitary government to federal one that prevented a possible division of the country on linguistic lines. What question is expecting from you? Which of the statement given above are correct? Option A, B, C and D. That means all are correct. Option B, A, B and D. That means C is not correct. Option C says C and D is correct. That means A and B are wrong. And what option D says? That is A is wrong. Other than A, B, C and D are correct. I'll give few seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Let us check the answer. Answer is D. What is D here? D is B, C and D are correct. What is wrong? What was wrong? Only A was wrong. What is B? In Sri Lanka, the policies of the government sought to ensure dominance of Sinhala speaking majority. We saw that in Sri Lanka, Sinhalans were considered as the number one citizens and Tamilians were not treated equal. Correct. The Tamilians in Sri Lanka demanded a federal government power sharing to protect their culture, language. This is what we saw even the formation of LTTE, that is Liberation Tigers of Tamil Eelam. The transformation of Belgium from unitary government to federal one prevented possible division of the country's linguistic lines. That's also correct, because in Belgium they arranged central and state government differently and they gave power to that. That's why French, Dutch and German language speakers in Belgium, they were united rather than dividing the country. Hope you are completed. Question number 7. Yes, let us move to question number 8. Question number 8. Match list 1, that is forms of power sharing, with list 2, that is forms of government, and select the correct answer using the code given below in the list. Okay. List 1. What is list 1? Power shared among different organs of government. 2. Power shared among government at different levels. Power shared among different organs of the government. We studied about horizontal power sharing. Different levels of government, vertical power sharing. Power shared among different social groups. We studied about caste, community and all. Power shared among 2 or more political parties. Presently, we have National Democratic Alliance, that is NDA, National Democratic Alliance. It is a group of political parties. UPA, United Progressive Alliance, that is also a group of political parties. What is list 2? List 2 is community government. B is separation of power. C is coalition form of government. D is federal government. Option A 1 for D, 2 for A, 3 for B, 4 for C. B 1 for B, 2 for C, 3 for D, 4 for A. C 1 for B, 2 for D, 3 for A, 4 for C. D 1 for C, 2 for D, 3 for A, and 4 for B. Okay, what is the answer? Answer to this question is option C. Okay, option C. Let us move to the next question, that is question number 9. Consider the following statement on power sharing and select the answer using the code given below. Option A, power sharing is good for democracy. B, it helps to reduce, what helps to reduce? Power sharing. It helps to reduce the possibility of conflict between social groups. Which of these statements are true and false? Option A is true but B is false. Option B is both A and B are true. What is C? B and A and B are false. What's option D? A is false but B is true. What is the answer for this question? Answer for this question is B. What is B here? Both A and B are true. Power sharing is good for democracy. That's true. It helps reduce conflict between social groups. That is true. So, answer is B. That is both A and B are true. So, with this, we completed the exercise part or exercise chapter based question for the chapter number 1, that is power sharing. So at the earliest I'll ask you to post the pics, or in a PDF format I'll ask you to post the question and answers which is written by you in your notes. So at the earliest please complete, so that you will not be get tensed when the date is near for the submission. Take care. Definitely leftover chapters question and answers we will deal in upcoming classes. Take care of yourself. Bye.